Alright guys, welcome. So in today's video I am going to show us how you can withdraw money from Gray. Alright, I'm going to show us how you can be able to withdraw money from your Gray to your local bank account. Alright, so I will be withdrawing some money from my Gray account, alright, to my local bank account. Gray is an online account. Okay, you can use Gray to receive money across Nigeria. Okay, whether you are in Ghana, you can use Gray to receive money across Ghana. All right, you can use Gray to receive dollar, you can use Gray to receive pounds, you can use Gray to receive euro. All right, so without wasting time, I am going to be making withdrawal from my Gray account. I'm going to be withdrawing around 25 pounds, and I'm going to send it to my local account, and I'm going to be getting it in black market rate. So let's just go into the video. So I'm going to log into my Gray account right now. Let me put my password. So I'm now in my Gray account. All right, so let me quickly show you some other accounts, like some other currencies that you can receive money. All right, let me quickly show you. So you just have to tap over here, right? You just have to tap over here to bring down. Is going to bring out a drop down menu, or is going to bring out a pop-up menu that is going to show you the list of currencies that you can receive money in. All right, so let me click there. All right, so as you can see over here, you can receive USD, right? You can still receive euro. Okay, naira is here. I'm from Nigeria, so that's why you're seeing naira. And you can still receive GBP, which is pounds. And then they recently added the Uganda shilling and Kenya shilling, right? For those in Uganda and also for those in Kenya. So this Gray, anybody can use it. It's not only Ugandan, Kenyan, Nigerian. Anybody can use it. All right. So it's not limited to some particular countries. All right. So let me quickly go proceed with the withdrawal, so you see how you can be able to withdraw from your Gray account to your local bank account. So let's continue. So I am going to be withdrawing 25 pounds, right? I'm going to be withdrawing 25 pounds this money over here. So I'm going to be withdrawing this money over here, and I'm going to be sending it to my local account. So let's proceed. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to slide from my right hand side to my left hand side in order to get what I'm looking for. All right, so let me quickly slide so you see what I'm saying. I'm going to slide like this. So this three dots over here, I'm going to click at this three dots over here to bring out a drop down menu for me to select what I would use in converting this money. Because the first thing you are going to do is you are supposed to convert these pounds to naira. All right, so when you convert it to naira, you can now from your naira account send it to your local bank account. So let's go. So click on the three dots, and here comes account information. All right, account information, right? See your virtual account details and more. All right, you can see add money, right? You can add money to your wallet. All right, then over here is swap. All right, convert to another currency. So this is what I'll be using. Swap fund, that's what I'll be using. All right, so let's proceed. So I'm going to click on swap fund. All right, so I over here you can see the total amount I have in my pounds account. All right, I have like 25 pounds. So, and I also have like some money in my naira account, which is around 4,000 naira in my naira account. All right, so I am going to swap this 25 pounds to Nigerian naira. All right, so from Nigerian naira I'm going to send it to my local bank account. So let's proceed. All right, so I'm going to click over here. So that's where I'm going to type the amount I would want to swipe. It's not much. I'll swap everything here, the 25 pounds. All right, you can choose to swap only 5 pounds, you can choose to swap only 20 pounds. It's not much you're going to swap everything, so I will be but in today's video I'm going to swap this 25 pounds. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to type in 25 pounds over here. So this Gray is going to charge me, right? But even though they are going to charge me, their fee is very small. All right, their fee is very small. So let's go. So I'm going to type in the 25 pounds. All right, so let's see how much they're going to charge me. So they're going to charge me 0.25 pounds. See it over here, that is how much they're going to charge me, 0.25 pounds. So it's still fair. So even after the charge, what I'll be receiving for the 25 pounds I'm going to convert is this. I'm going to receive 19,428 naira. That is how much I'm going to receive. All right, so let's quickly click on continue so that we can be able to swap these 25 pounds to naira. Let's go. So click on continue. All right, it's telling me sufficient balance, so I am going to be reducing this 25 pounds. All right, so I'm going to reduce it to like maybe 24 pounds. So I'm going to type 24.75. let's see if it will go. All right, for them to take their 0.25 pounds. All right, so we are still going to be getting 19,202 naira. All right, so that's what we are going to be getting in our naira wallet. So let's click on continue in order to swap this money. All right, so click on continue. All right, so I'm going to click on make payment over here. So our amount to swap is 24.75 pounds. Exchange rate for 1 pound is 785. You see, 785. All right, this is the amount we are going to swap. Then this is the rate, the exchange rate Gray is changing this $1 for you. All right, so $1, they are changing $1 for 785 naira. So this is beautiful. All right, this is beautiful. They are going to change 1 pound for you for 785 naira, and their transaction fee is over here, which is 0.25 pounds. All right, and this is what you are going to be receiving, 19,232. That's what you're going to pay. So we're going to click on make payment in order to swap. So let's go, click on make payment, and boom, swap successful. Your swap has been processed. Your balance has been updated. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click to go back home for us to see how much our naira wallet is now. Remember, I was having like 4,000 naira in my wallet. All right, so click on back. Then I'm going to click over here. All right, over here, that's what I'm going to click, and then click. So as you can see, my naira wallet has increased to 23,296. I was initially having 4,000 naira in my wallet. So now the next thing we are going to do is we're going to be withdrawing from our naira wallet to our local bank account. So I have to click on my naira wallet in order to withdraw it to my local bank account. All right, click on it. So as you can see, I have 23,296. So I am going to click over here, send money. All right, this is where I'm going to click send money. All right, so I'm going to click on send money. Now I have two options right here. The first one says withdraw to a saved recipient. Choose from one of your saved recipients to make a withdrawal. Now if you are to click on this, it means you've linked one of your bank details to this Gray. All right, so that's the reason why you are going to be clicking on that one. But if the account that you want to send this money to, you've not linked it to Gray account before, then you are going to choose this second one that says withdraw to another account. Enter account details of an account to make a withdrawal into. All right, so once you click on the second one, it means you are going to type in the account number or account details that you would want to withdraw this money into. All right, so I am going to choose the first one because I am sending it to my account. All right, then this is what it is going to show you. The first is going to show you the total money you have in your naira wallet. All right, and over here we show you to wallet or where the currency you want to convert to. Is it United dollars? Is it euro? Is it Great Britain? Is it Uganda shilling? Is it Kenyan shilling? But then I'm sending to Naira. All right, I'm sending to Naira, so I'm going to choose Naira. So the next one is this. It is going to ask you amount that you want to send. All right, the amount you would want to send. So they are still also going to be charging us, but no matter how the fee is, it is going to be friendly. All right, they're not going to charge us much. We are still going to make a lot of profit. So I am going to withdraw everything. All right, I'm withdrawing everything. All right, so 23,296.55. Right, so they are going to charge us fee of what? 35 naira. All right, 35 naira. So it's still fair, like I said. So we are still going to be getting 23,261.55. All right, so let's proceed. The reason why you are seeing this over here is because I've linked my account. All right, already. So that's why you're seeing this over here. So over here you are going to write description. All right, like maybe you are sending to someone, so you're going to, my name is Leo. All right, so I'm going to write from Leo, or maybe for food, maybe you know the description you want to write. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to click on continue. So let's click on continue. So it's going to give us the breakdown. All right, it's going to give us the breakdown of everything. The amount I have, 23,296.55. The exchange rate, 1 naira is equals to 1 naira. All right, transaction fee, 35 naira, and the amount you are going to get. So we are going to click on make payment over here, right? So click on make payment, and boom, withdrawal was successful. Your withdrawal has been processed. You should be funded soon. So let's wait and see if I'm going to get alert and the time I'm going to get alert. All right, so that is how you make withdrawal. All right, guys, I just logged into my app. All right, and boom, the money just arrived. All right, look at it. 20. Oh, I just got the text message already. All right, so this is the amount we just got. So let me open it. We just got credited 23,261.55. That's the amount we got. Okay, from which date? Okay, today is 3rd October. All right, so I just got the alert. It does not take time, like it's just within some seconds you just get alert. So let me still go back to my app. So here is my balance. All right, here is my balance. So it doesn't take time for you to receive this amount. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up. All right, give this video a thumbs up in appreciation. Your thumbs up tells me that you really appreciate my efforts of giving you some good updates for you to make a lot of money online. All right, so give me a thumbs up in this video. All right, and if you're still here to subscribe to our channel, guys, I still don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribing or liking this video does not take extra data from you. All right, so smash the like button of this video in appreciation, and then subscribe to our channel if you are still here to subscribe to our channel. All right, and as you have subscribed, don't forget to turn on the bell notification, because what the bell notification does is to notify you each time we post awesome updates just like this one you watched. All right, guys, until next time, I see you on my next video. Peace out.
Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate it. If you're still here to like this video, I still don't know what you're waiting for. Smash the like button of this video. And if you're still here to subscribe to our channel, I still don't know what you're waiting for. It does not take extra data. Smash the subscription button of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified each time we post beautiful videos just like this one you watched. Until next time, I see you again, comrades. Bye.